Hello, welcome to my channel once again. My name is OHLEEN. Thank you for watching my video. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome. Make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe to encourage more videos like this. I do reviews, I do unboxing videos, I do giveaways on accessories, mainly handbags, and I also show you how to style one or two things. So thank you for passing by. If this is not your first time and you're a subscriber, today we are reviewing the Little Lavish Store. I'm also unboxing an order I purchased from them. It's been a very interesting journey with the Little Lavish Store. They are a bag company. I believe they're based in the UK. They do very cute bags from their Instagram. You know, they seem fairly new, you know, they seem like they've just started, and the bags look so cute. They look so nice. I mean, I'm reviewing one that finally came, so we're gonna see what the quality is saying, what it actually looks like versus the picture. So a little bit of background. I came across them on Instagram, like I said, and I ordered on the 1st of March was my first order from them. On the 1st of March I ordered one bag, which was $24.99. I'll put a picture of it, the bag that I ordered, because I can't actually remember what it's called, but I think it was orange. It was really cute, really cute. And I ordered it on the 1st of March, and on the 8th of March, this is this year obviously, 8th of March, I got an order delayed email from them. This was me not chasing, but I did wonder what's taking so long, where is my order. 8th of March I got an order delayed email. They said due to them moving stock or storages, there's been a delay in the order, in fulfilling the order. Okay. On the 13th of March, I chased because I was expecting some kind of movement, since they've, you know, she said she would get back to me in between 24 and 48 hours or something like that. 13th of March, nothing. I chased. And then on the 18th of March, I got an email from PayPal saying, you have a refund from the Little Lavish Store. So, and that was the last communication I had from them. They just refunded the money back, basically. I'm guessing because they couldn't fulfill the order. So that was one bag. And then on the 1st of June, so this month, I thought, okay, let me try them again. Let me try again, right? That was on the 1st of June. I ordered these 3 bags. In total, it came to £79 or something like that. And then on the 20th, on the 20th of June, I got one bag delivered. I did miss the delivery. It came with Royal Mail, so I went to pick it up. And this is the bag that came on the 20th of June. So it took them 19 days to deliver. So on the 23rd, I finally got around to my emails, and I thought, okay, let me chase and find out what's happened. I did chase them to ask them, where is my order before this got delivered, and no one replied. And then when I got the order, I emailed them to say I didn't get a reply. I haven't had a response, and today is the 28th. I'm filming this, 20th of June. So, as I said, it's been very eventful. I hope they are taking this on board as feedback, because they do very nice things from the pictures. We're going to see what, you know, I like this so far because it's heavy. I like the weight. First impressions, obviously it's in the dust bag, which is really nice. I like the weight. It's really weighty. It's really heavy. I like that. I don't know why, but I like that. It's got a little cute dust bag. I mean, very basic, but you know, at least they thought about that. I can't remember how much this was, but I'll put it on the screen. For that price, this is actually so nice. This is very nice for the price it is. I love it. I'm gonna just remove this. Okay. I like that they've put this scratch-proof plastic. So this is the idea of the bag. This is amazing. I really like this. Really, really like this. Okay, so you have to be a bit careful because it's a bit, it wobbles a bit, but I can manage that. I can get used to that. Obviously, and this is also got a sticker on it. I can tell you now, I will definitely be keeping this bag. It's nice. It's a lot of things have been thought about, you know, on this bag. It's really nice. This is very, very nice. It's nice in picture, it's nice in person, it's nice in quality. It's a really heavy bag, which is so nice. This moves about quite a lot, so obviously, you know, you have to be one of those girls that are just cool and composed and just stand and look pretty always, you know, just, yeah. I love it. I really, really like it. This is the fact that it's got this as well at the bottom, that is so cute. It's so, so cute. So cute. It does have inside, it does have a belt, an extra belt, so obviously to put, I do appreciate that, because this can be a more casual style, whilst I guess you can let that hang there. Oh yeah. This can be a more casual, practical style, and then this could be a more going out thing whilst you let it hang. Or you can not have the belt on there. Okay, like I said, this is going to take some getting used to. Oh, I really like this. I think if you're going to hold it like this, you can't have this belt on there. It looks tacky. You are using either one of the two. So you're either holding it like this, so I say this is more of a going out kind of look. And then if you're gonna get this on, let that hang there. And this is more of a practical, I don't know if I'll have the time and patience and to be paying attention to where this is wobbling to when I'm walking, but yeah, I like this. This is really cute. Really cute. In terms of what fits in the bag, just about fits in there, and there's still quite a bit of room. You could probably put a lipstick in there and a little mirror and just, you know, ticket, oyster. I love the weight. The weight is just, it's nice. And obviously I've put my two phones in there, it's even more weighty. Really, really, really nice. I love this. I really, really love this. And then we're doing the, let me just check. I definitely ordered 3 items and they've sent 2. So, so this is their paper bag, newspaper bag, which the concept is very cute. First impressions, it is so flat, but I guess it's fulfilling the concept, newspaper. It's smaller than I thought it would be, but it's nice. Literally, you look like you're holding a newspaper. Literally, literally. It would have been nice if it was bigger, because then, I don't know, like, okay, let's. Do you know what? It's so cute. It feels so useless, but it's just one of those bags that you just, it's cute, it looks good, it looks quirky, it looks edgy. I don't know what you can fit in there. Not much at all. I mean, I can definitely fit my phones in there. Let's see if I can fit the phone and the passport. Just literally just about fit my 2 phones, passport. Okay, you cannot fit anything else in that. Okay, let me show you. You can't fit anything else in that. Let's close it. when it's padded, when it's got stuff in it, it looks so cute. It's really nice. It's really nice. The quality is actually really good. The quality is good, but I will just take extra care with it just because, you know. Is this in English? That's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what was your favorite. What was my favorite? I'm actually not sure. I can't decide. I don't know. I love this. Do you know what? You can forget the little handle thing, which is nice. It's handy, but I guess on a night out you can just hold it like this. You can't put much in it. But yeah, you can hold it like this and put this around your hand. Look all jeweled up. One more. I'm impressed with the quality. I definitely am. For the price, the quality is really good on both bags, and the size is very cute. It's cute. You can't. It's not. If you're expecting to, like I said, you can't put much in here. I've got 2 phones and a passport case actually. The passport is not in there. So if the passport was actually in there, you wouldn't be able to do much with this. But the quality is good. It feels very nice. It feels very secure. It's really thick. It's padded, and this is really heavy. This is really chic. Really, really nice. Oh, and they've got this little card slot here, although do not put your card there. Just yeah, no, don't. It's tiny. Are these bags worth the money? Yes, they are, I would say. It's just that obviously there is a risk of whether or not you actually get an item or the items that you've ordered, and they do take some time. So hopefully that's something that they're working on, and they will take this as feedback, you know, good feedback on their side. And yeah, I'm gonna need to talk to them about the 3rd bag. I'll put a picture on the screen of the 3rd bag that I ordered and see where we go from there. I'll keep you posted if I get my money back or if I get the bag. If you want to see more of these videos, comment below what companies you want me to review, what items you want me to review. I would love to do that for you. And yeah, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much. Mwah.